Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Nicole. If you're old, welcome back and enjoy my St. Patty's Day look still. Today I have a new thing I've never ordered from, but this is BeautyFix from Dermstore. Okay, it is technically a monthly subscription, and then if they don't sell out, they'll sell their boxes until they do. So this is actually a pass box that I bought. But the thing is, unless, like, I found out, thank you for Cassie for sending me to this page, Beauty Deals, and I started following her, and somehow she gets all these codes and links to certain things that you get amazing deals for. Because at first I followed her link, I was having problems, like, trying to get this through, I wanted to try to get this through eBay, because eBay, I think that they have like a cashback on eBay's, but I couldn't pull it up because trying it on my phone. Like on my phone, I have to go through eBay to pull it up, and it wasn't working. Trying to find this particular box on sale or any of the past ones, really, they all said sold out, right? But following her link specifically on Instagram, I was able to pull up this box and order it. So I made it up because regular, I think it's like 35 or 40, I think 40, and I got it for $24.99, like $1 tax. So yes, and there is a specific reason why I wanted this box. Like I remember thinking a while ago, and I didn't have money, or it was 21 days of beauty, so I don't want to order something extra. So like when I first saw, I probably saw Monica at Beauty Wonderful Times open this box originally, like, because this is, I think, his last September's box, which doesn't mean anything. I mean, this stuff's new. It can keep on the shelf for forever, or almost forever. So I decided to order it. But seriously, if you go on their store, like, you can pull up the box. It says sold out, not available, blah, 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 blah. But you follow her link and you can get it. I'm like, okay. Open it up. It says healthy skin and hair begins here. It's actually a really good box. Like, if you're really into, like, good skincare, expensive skincare, basically you get at least, like, one full-size thing and a few, like, deluxe sample things for the price. Sometimes more than one, like, full-size things. And it has, like, a couple beauty, but mostly, like, focused primarily on skincare. It's, like, expensive brands. So here it says, this is the Back to Basics box, okay? School's in session. We're going back to the fundamentals. Grab a pen and paper because this month we're going to relearn a few beauty basics. In this lesson plan, you'll become well-versed in all things self-care, from managing your mane to stopping acne before it starts, because nothing is basic about an educated queen. I like that. And the thing inside doesn't give prices, but does tell you everything that's inside this box. And it says, visit dermstore.com/basic to shop the full-size items and save up to 20% with code BACKTOBASICS. But offers ends October 15th of 2018. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this little sample. It's actually a tube. It's not a package. It's from Dermalogica. It's Rapid Reveal Peel, Age Smart Professional Grade at Home Peel. Okay. This is new. It says start fresh. Give yourself a fresh new canvas by using a peel. Safely remove impurities to even brighten and reveal brand new skin. It says kickstart cell renewal and achieve visible radiance with this at-home peel. Our maximum strength exfoliant delivers powerful results with no downtime. A unique complex of phytoactive AHA extracts, lactic acid, and fermented plant enzymes help reveal new, firmer skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles by removing dulling surface debris without causing dehydration. Pumpkin fruit enzyme and rice bran extract help even skin tone by resurfacing the skin and accelerating cell turnover. I think both pumpkin and rice usually says bright. I don't know. I forget, but I've used both as a sheet mask. Smooth and Australian caviar lime extract brightens skin for a more radiant complexion. Massage over face, allowed to activate for 3 to 7 minutes. You may experience slight tingling or warming. Rinse with cold water or wipe off with a cold damp towel. Recommended for evening use. Sunscreen is recommended prior to sun exposure. Product is intended for limited frequency or duration of use on skin. So yeah, it's like a chemical peel type of thing. I mean, it has a decent sized tube, so a couple uses, maybe 3, depending on how thin of a layer. I'm not gonna open that because I don't know if like my skin needs that specifically right now. Next up, from Skin Iceling, this is the solution for stressed skin. This is blemish dots with willow bark rich in salicylic acid. A sheet of 12 dots. So that is so interesting because I got a couple suckers you might want to. That one's almost gone. I don't know. Might apply one there anyway. It says apply patch directly on blemish, push gently until it adheres to skin, and leave on for several hours or overnight for best results. That's really interesting. I haven't tried these things. I've seen them, like, you know, here and there, but I haven't gotten the urge to try one out. So we will try one out. So it says, did you know you can banish pimples before they make it to the surface using botanical infused dots to get ahead of breakouts? Okay, next up is from Murad. Y'all know Murad's expensive. Like their freaking primer that my skin actually loves. My skin didn't like their eye stuff, but my skin loves their primer. It's $70. $70 or 65. It's 65 or 70. It's one of those two. It's expensive. Okay, this is the Age Reform Nutrient Charged Water Gel, oil free rehydrator. Intensely hydrating oil-free water gel contains revolutionary cumulative hydration release technology and instantly binds moisture to skin and increases retention up to 5 days. Nutrients from peptides, vitamins, minerals plump and strengthen skin. Massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with Red sunscreen during the day. Dermatologist developed. Moisturizer is your skin's best friend. Infuse your skin every day with luxurious oil-free hydration to keep skin plump, firm, and healthy. All this packaging for a little bit. I guess they wanted to actually tell you about it because Sephora would just send you this and you wouldn't know anything. They actually have something. Ooh, it's pink. Don't know what I was expecting. But anyway, I get my lipstick everywhere. So I'm cool with trying that out. Next up is from Comptoir Sud Pacifique Vanilla Blackberry Eau de Toilette. It's 0.5 ounces. So there's actually a little perfume in it. How neat. I do like vanilla. All Day Freshness is a beauty basic. Do a quick 3 spritz of this elegantly simple perfume for hours of tantalizing aroma. Good. It's not like an itty bitty sample. It's a decent size sample. That's actually not bad. It smells just like a Bath and Body Works body spray I know that has blackberry as a primary note, like one of the old Winter scents. So that's actually a decent smell. I like that. Next up is from Juice Beauty. This is like a sample size, but it's cool. This is the Organic Solution Green Apple Cleansing Bar. This is start your day with this antioxidant infused, not so basic bar soap. Will set your skin up for success no matter what the day holds. Renew, revitalize, and soften your skin with this cleansing bar formulated with organic sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, and a blend of organic botanical juices. Infused with bright citrus notes to leave skin refreshed and glowing. Work the bath bar into lather, massage all over your body for gentle exfoliation. Rub bar directly on skin. Rinse well. Oh, that's what that looks like. It's a very plain bar of soap. It's like their line of stuff. More lemon than apple, like that's what their serum and stuff smells like. First ingredient is actually organic sunflower seed oil. That's the first ingredient in this thing. And then you got aloe juice, organic coconut oil, sustainably sourced palm oil, organic apple juice, sodium hydroxide, organic lemon juice, organic white grape juice, orange oil, mandarin oil, shang oil, cinnamon camphor, which is whole wood oil, vitamin E, grapeseed extract. That's what makes this salt oils and natural things. Oh, good. I guess some of those are salts. So I'm actually not even going to use this as a body soap, but I'm thinking, okay, y'all are going to hear me mention Disney. I wish we could Disney. Like, I need travel friendly stuff. This seems like a travel friendly soap that I'm sure should last the entire week. Because you know what I use? I use the big bar of soaps right now from Shea Moisture to wash my face. They work fine. Like, I usually use them my cellar water to remove like eye makeup and stuff, but washing this, I just think it's safer. Shea's ingredients are really good. Next up is a sample from VenEffect. This is a micro exfoliant. This ultra fine exfoliant with grapeseed, soy, pomegranate, and willow bark gently removes dead skin cells and helps keep skin clear and radiant, hydrates and improves skin tone. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So this is like a major exfoliant. Like, you don't want to use this daily. Don't use this daily, I guess. What does a micro exfoliant do? Tiny beads of moisturizing cleanser clear dead skin cells, revealing smoother, luminous skin. I'm so interested in this. Okay. Next thing, this is like the only makeup item. Some of them might have like more than one makeup thing, but you know, Dermstore is primarily a skincare brand. They do sell Tarte in other brands on their website. I've seen Laura Geller, Tarte, maybe El Mascot, but anyway, they have like a few makeup brands. But this is from Laura Geller. This is the Pout Perfection Waterproof Lip Liner in Spice or Nude. I got the shade Spice, which is actually good because it's like a little darker of a brownie nude. Trace and accentuates your pouch with this creamy pout perfecting liner that will become your new go-to. I mean, it seems nice. I'm just not, like, I'm not even touching that. I'm not touching it. I'm not the lip liner person much. Like, every now and then. Plus, I need to see if that has carmine. I don't know. That might be a present for somebody later this year. If there's anything wrong with lip liners, I just don't tend to use them. I have very few lipsticks that will actually lead out of my lip line, and those are like dark purple and blue or something like that. The ones that I have that will actually do that. So, yeah. Next up, and here's something not skincare. This is a Harry Josh Pro Tools Mini Detangling Brush. Yeah, brushing your hair is a beauty basic. This mini brush is perfect for detangling and for massaging the scalp, kickstarting growth. I used to hear that brush your hair like 1,000 times, and you'd grow your hair 100 times, something like that, you know what I'm saying? I used to actually try to do that when I was younger, and I'm like when I was a kid. Yeah, that fell out of fashion quickly. I'm like, it's time to blade brush their hair that much. Flexible bristles to detangle hair with ease. Your scalp as you brush. Blessed. Here we go. I do love the color. It's a fun little color. Wow, it's actually pooky. Not like going in like, you know, the cheap brushes do. I might actually like you. Okay. We'll keep you handy. And the last thing in this box, the reason why I wanted this box is this. This is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, which retails for $79.50 right now. It's on sale for $55.50. So go get you at Ulta. Microdermabrasion, an exfoliant designed to safely remove the top layer of skin, reveal younger looking skin in minutes with this cult favorite. I still have the tiniest amount from BoxyCharm, and it's been like over a year. I used to use it about once or twice a week until we got the pore dermabrasion, and then I was really into that, and then I kind of got away from both of them. unless like I feel like my skin really needs it, which is what you need to do. Like if you can get your skin in a good place and your skin doesn't need it, then it's not as an often thing. But you know, every now and then it's good to like remove the top layer of your skin, and it leaves your skin baby soft. Has a nice little lemon scent. It's really nice. It's like the first microdermabrasion thing I ever used. Made me start to fall in love with the brand. And then we got the pore dermabrasion. I was like, okay. So I ended up buying like a backup of that from a Boxy site. And then we got the primers, and I ended up buying backups of those. And all this, so it really turned me on to the brand. Boxy Charm is responsible for that. But this thing's so expensive, even on sale. So to get it in a box that I paid $25 for everything in here, and like, yeah, most of it's samples, but you know, and a hairbrush. But the lip liner is actually full size, so this is a full size as far as I know, lip liner. So you know, if you're into that. But you know, things that come handy, really expensive brands or higher price brands. Dermalogica is not the highest price brand, but you know, but this, and it's full size. It's 2 ounces. But yeah. And they did have a thing where you could get this with the charms. I didn't have enough charms to get it out of the Boxy Charm when it was available. Or if you referred your friend to Boxy Charm, you could have got it if they stayed subscribed for a couple months or something. This original skin exfoliating procedure contains aluminum oxide crystals, lactic acid, and soothing botanicals, the same ingredients used in our medical office for microdermabrasion procedures. Polishes away dead skin cells, revealing radiance. Yes. Renews dull skin, providing a healthy look. Yes. Helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. You dampen your skin. Slowly massage cream onto skin for 1 to 2 minutes. Avoiding the eye area. Rinse well, pat dry. Best if used 1 times a week. Having 3 days between applications. So, yeah. Like, this, like, really, like, started my skincare journey. Because I, like, started paying attention, like, that I actually needed a skincare routine. Like, I barely even moisturize during the day. Barely prime. Or I prime a little bit. But I'm like, that's it. Like, barely. When we got this in the Boxy Charm, it really started me, like, taking care of my skin and getting a routine and trying. I do try things. I try to limit to trying one thing at a time because my skin goes haywire if I don't. Or trying to figure out what my skin likes and doesn't like. So the fact that my skin loves all Dr. Brandt stuff, and I've tried quite a few things now, is a miracle. Because my skin's that picky. Yeah. So how you have this, because I am literally on the dregs of that one, even though I just did a pore dermabrasion. But I haven't microdermabrated in a while. So yeah. Happy to have this in my life again. Check out it's Beauty Deals BFF, I think is the page. I'm not sure. But yeah, she'll have like codes and stuff like that. Only work for her, so I don't know. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I enjoyed unboxing, definitely. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles!